Tiny little head, oh my gosh.
He's not all wrinkly either. How some babies are wrinkly.
He's got little wrinkly legs.
He has a full face.
Little baby body.
And little quirky toes. Aww. Little feet.
He's very comfy now.
Poor Aiden can't even come see him.
I know.
You're gonna miss him a lot.
Seriously.
It's gonna drive you crazy.
What color are his eyes?
They're kind of, I think they probably will be brown too. They're kind of the grayish color.
They've changed so much.
Oh my god. His eyes are huge. Look at my tongue.
It's hard to believe he was just in there.
Seems big when you think of it that way.
I know. Like, how'd he fit?
He's so cute. It's ridiculous. He actually looks like a baby. You know how like when babies are that little, they just look like every other baby, but he actually looks like...
It looks like a baby doll. Like his eyes and everything.
Yeah. So
He
cute.
wants his fingers.
Little scratchies. You want to hold him? You want him?
Let me wash my hands.